Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to change Windows 11 login pin, and you just need to follow me. So first of all, please click Start menu, then click Settings. After then click Accounts, and from right side please click on Sign in options. After then please click on Pin Windows Hello option, and then please click on Change Pin. Here you need to um, type your old pin, after then new pin and confirm pin. So type old pin and then type new pin, confirm pin, and then click OK, and you have done. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for next videos.